Now in this class I go to the explanation about cell notation, how to write a cell notation. So I give the simple trick, you can be understand easily, but you watch complete this video, you can be understand. So look at here I written electrode material. This is a vertical line, aqua species, double vertical line, aqua species, vertical line, electrode material. So electrode material means what we have taken electrode, that electrode rod. Now here vertical to indicate the electrode. Now after that aqua species means number of cations, that is to indicate the aqua species, that Mn plus ions. So double vertical is indicate the salt beach. After that aqua species means number of ion cations, and then after vertical line is indicate the electrode, then after electrode rod. So now look at here, my right hand side I written cathode and left hand side I written anode. At the place of anode we know oxidation, here at the place of cathode reduction to occur. Now oxidation means loss of electron or loss of electron from the electrode, and here is the from cathode their gain of electron, that is the reduction. Okay, clear to see here. When you given here to see at anode oxidation occur, that is the loss of electron. So that is indicating LHS, left hand cell. Now RH is the right hand cell. So this is the off cell, this is the off cell. So this is the oxidation of cell, this is the reduction of cell. So reduction of cell, right hand cell, right hand off cell, left hand off cell. So here negative off cell, this is a negative. Now anode indicate the negative, so that's why it is a off cell negative. Now oxidation of cell, this is okay, this is the oxidation of cell, left of cell, this is the left hand side. Now left of side negative of cell, oxidation of cell, and next it is left of cell. Okay, clear? This is left hand side. Now here right hand side, that is right of cell, positive. So cathode is the positive, that is why positive of cell. Now it is reduction here, reduction of cell. Now it is cathode of cell. So cathode right hand side, now cathode of cell. Now it is right of cell, positive of cell, reduction of cell, cathode of cell. So we have to simply to find out. Now I given one simple trick, lone. In that L letter left, O means oxidation, left side oxidation occurred, where left hand side in the electrical cell, left hand side oxidation is possible. So that is A is the anode plus oxidation possible, that is anode is the negative charge. So left hand side anode, their oxidation occur due to anode is a negative charge. So oxidation occur means due to the loss of electrons. Next, automatically you can be write the right hand side, that is a cathode is a plus and their reduction, and here is the positive charge. Okay, it is cathode. Now look at here, I give the small simple reaction. Here zinc plus copper plus 2 and Zn plus 2 plus copper. So they ask the cell notation of this cell reaction. So see here I written here. So we know that how we can write that Zn is a metal. Now it is first of all oxidation at anode, at the place of anode oxidation, the loss of electron. So the loss of electron, this is the oxidation. Okay, oxidation. Next one, the copper plus 2 taken electron, forming copper, this is the reduction. Okay, so see here how we can write that cell notation. First of all, you have to write oxidation. Then after you have to write reduction. So first the place of anode, second place is the cathode. So that's why I written here Zn. So from this here, this is a Zn now, Zn now, that is the electrode. The next one, cations. So cation means aqueous species. That aqueous species is Zn plus 2. Next one, what is that? Here is a salt beach. Then after what you write, aqueous species, which are that Cu plus 2. So after that salt beach, cathode. Where is the cathode here? Right hand side now. Now right hand side, there is go to the copper, and this is the electrode. The next one, copper rod. So this is the cell notation. So next one, I go to the next example. Look at here. This is the cell reaction, H2 plus Ce2, copper plus 2, A2H plus S plus copper. So you write cell notation reaction. So hydrogen electrode. So in that platinum and a hydrogen, and next one at the pressure P1 pressure, atmosphere, 1 atmosphere pressure. So this is a electrode. Now from hydrogen to H plus ions, the concentration 1. So here be concentration 1, concentration 2. So this is a zinc is a solid, copper is a solid. So this is the aqueous medium. So this is also aqueous medium. The ions are in aqueous medium, concentration and aqueous medium. This is the salt beach and the copper ions, aqueous medium. And next one, concentration 2, concentration 1, concentration 2. Now this is a copper solid. This is the cell notation. So simple. First you write the oxidation reaction. The next we have to write the reduction reaction. So oxidation means the hydrogen atom loses electron. That's why hydrogen is converted to H plus ions. So this is indicating the electrode. This is indicating the salt beach. Next, copper ion take an electron. So the loss of electron, so forming H plus ion. Now here the copper plus 2 gain of electron. So that's why it is forming of copper. So copper is forming. So I think you understand this one. The one example, Mg Ag plus gives rise to Mg plus 2 plus Ag. This is a cell reaction. What is that? This is a cell reaction. So they ask in the exam, cell notation reaction. Cell notation. So they give the cell reaction. They ask the cell notation. So look at here how we can to find out oxidation reaction, reduction reaction. Look at here, Mg loss of electron. That's why they lost 2 electron. That's why Mg plus 2. Loss of electron means that is oxidation. No? Yes, Mg gives rise to Mg plus 2 electrons. Next, what is that next one reaction? Silver gain electron, forming silver. Ag take an electron, gives rise to Ag. This is the reduction. This is the oxidation. So what is the cell notation? So see here, cell notation is the oxidation of cell reaction. This is a salt beach. The next one, reduction of cell reaction. Look at here, oxidation of cell reaction means this is the oxidation of cell reaction now. Mg is converted to Mg plus 2, loss of 2 electron. So first you have to write the Mg, the next electrode vertical line, the next one Mg plus 2, Mg is converted to Mg plus 2, so between the electrode, then after salt beach, then after silver gain electron, and the next one electrode, the next silver. So this is a cell notation reaction. So I can give another example. You have to understand. Ni 2Ag plus gives rise to Ni plus 2 plus Ag, 2Ag. So this is a cell reaction. What is that? Cell reaction. They ask the cell notation. Cell notation. First what you write? So here nickel. This is just nickel. Nickel, then after vertical line. Nickel, then after vertical line. Now what do you write this one? Nickel, it is loss of electron, that's why forming Na plus 2. Over. This is oxidation reaction is over. Next this is a salt beach. Now next one, what is that? Silver gain electron, they forming silver. So silver plus electrode and silver. So concentration C1 concentration. This is aqueous medium, this is a solid, this is also aqueous, and this is a concentration 2, this is a solid. Okay, clear? Right. So this is a cell notation. So I can give you the next example. Look at here, third example. So Zn plus Pb plus 2 gives rise to Zn plus 2 plus Pb. So which is the oxidation reaction? So this is the oxidation reaction, this is the reduction. Oxidation, reduction. So first left hand side, what do you write? Oxidation reaction. So Zn electrode, anode, first of all anode, the next one cathode. So this is the anode reaction. Zn, this is a vertical line is indicated the electrode, this is the aqueous medium, concentration 1. So this is a solid, double bridge is the salt bridge. The next one reduction reaction, Pb plus 2, aqueous, concentration C2, electrode converted to Pb. So this is the at anode, this is at cathode. So once again I give the another example. Look at here. Ca plus Fe plus 2 gives rise to Ca plus 2 plus Fe. Now see here what here calcium is the at anode, calcium is loss of electron, the loss of 2 electron. This is the oxidation at anode. This is the gain of electron forming iron. So what do you, how can write that cell notation? This is a cell reaction. They ask the cell notation. So first of all electrode, what is electrode? Ca electrode, right? Next one, what it is converted? Ca plus 2 aqua medium is converted, that is the aqua and its concentration C1. Okay, next one, what do you write? Salt beach, this is the salt beach. The next, what do you write? This is anode reaction completed, anode is completed, anode of cell is completed, anode of cell completed. The next one, salt beach after cathode reaction. What is going at the cathode? Fe plus 2 gain of electron, this is the aqueous of ions, concentration C2, gain of electron, then after electrode of iron. So Fe plus 2 take an electron, they convert it to the iron. So I think understand.